As a professional general contractor for metallurgical projects, SMG focuses on providing one-stop services of complete steel production lines to global clients. We are committed to customizing cost-effective turnkey solutions for steel production lines tailored to each customer. Now follow SMG's lens into the manufacturing base. Here, with stringent process standards, we fully demonstrate SMG's solid manufacturing foundation and robust strength in delivering high-end complete sets of equipment. The camera glides forward steadily. First coming into view are the high-rigidity short stress line rolling mills, awaiting assembly and delivery, as well as the precise straightening plates in the cooling bed area. Stepping into the massive assembly area, workers are fully concentrated on the rigorous processing of the Rake-type cooling bed inlet equipment, refining every operational detail to the most stringent standards. On the other side, the sturdy and heavy cooling bed outlet roller stand has already been fully manufactured. Arranged in neat rows, they stand posed in a composed manner, awaiting final precise assembly. Massive quantities of precision-made roller table accessories are lined up in perfect order like soldiers. These high-precision logistic hub components are waiting to be endowed with the vitality of operation. Right next to them, the robust roller table drive units stand ready. Every perfect meshing of gears will deliver powerful momentum for future high-load production. Amid the low rumble of the overhead crane, the sling chains are steadily transporting accessories of the Rake-type cooling bed equipment. Workers are meticulously inspecting every detail of the equipment. The cooling bed roller tables to be assembled are stacked layer upon layer in perfect order, quietly awaiting final assembly and delivery. Focus your sight. Rows of heavy-duty universal rolling mills stand towering like colossal steel beasts, fully posed and ready. They are about to set sail across oceans and become the absolute mainstay of high-end production lines worldwide. After high-standard spraying treatment, the brand-new chains of cooling bed collecting stand and horizontal steel shifting devices shine with a stern metallic luster, standing by in an optimal anti-rust state awaiting the final call. The massive run trough of the Rake-type cooling bed complements the stack collection and conveying roller tables perfectly. These matrices of complete automated equipment perfectly interpret SMG's ultimate delivery capability of one-stop full-line complete supply. With professional expertise and cost-effective product and services, we help you build high-quality steel production lines. Strength forges quality. SMG safeguards your project all the way. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.